kindergartners. I'm so glad you're at school today. I am so excited to share my alphabet box with you today. I can't wait for you to see what is inside. But before we do that, we have some activities we have to do. Does anybody remember the name of the book that we read in class yesterday? The name of the book was Shiver Me Letters, an alphabet book. Can somebody tell me something about the book that we read yesterday?
It's about pirates.
It was about pirates and letters. And what were the pirates and the letters doing?
They were looking for the alphabet.
They were. They were on a voyage to find the rest of the alphabet. Why?
Because R was not strong enough.
R was not tough enough. They needed the whole alphabet to make the pirates tough enough. Can somebody demonstrate or give me a characteristic of a pirate?
They say R.
They do. They say R. They might talk funny, or they wear a patch over one eye, or have a peg leg.
Or a hook.
They do. They might have a hook. Very good. Okay. We have also been on a voyage, and our voyage is to introduce the letters of the alphabet. And every day we've introduced a letter of the alphabet. Does somebody remember what letter we introduced yesterday?
O.
We did. We introduced the letter O. Looking at the capital letter O and the lowercase letter O, can you compare the O's and tell me something that is the same?
Same shape.
They are. They're both the same shape. They're a circle. What about if we contrast them and find a difference between the capital letter O and the lowercase o?
One's big, one's little.
One's big and one's little, correct. Okay, what about the sounds of the letter O? Yesterday we talked about how the letter O can make 3 distinct sounds. We have a short O, a long O, and a special O. And we used our vowel cards to talk about those sounds that they can make. This is our short O. And our short O makes the sound ah. And so our mouth is open wide like an O. Ah. Say that with me. Ah. Ah as in not. Let's say that together. Ah as in not. This is our long O. And the long O says its name. It says O. O as in so. Say that with me. O as in so. And our special O says ooh. Ooh as in two. Say that with me, class. Ooh as in two. Good. How do we know if a word actually starts with a certain letter? What do we do?
Makes the sound.
We do. We listen for the sounds, and that helps us learn how to spell those words too. Okay. Oh, I am super excited to show you what's in my alphabet box today. But first I'm going to show you a video I found online. I just thought that video was cute since it was dealt with pirates, and our book that we read yesterday was pirates, and also was the letter O. Okay, so now it's time to share our alphabet box. And let me tell you how this is going to work. When it's your turn to share, I want you to tell me what letter you chose for your alphabet box, and then tell me your 5 things that are in your alphabet box that start with that same letter. Do I have somebody that would like to go first?
I will go first.
Thank you, Carrie.
In my box, I have chosen the letter D. I have dental floss. I have a dollar. And I have a dime. I also have a dream catcher, as well as a picture of Dylan.
Very nice. Thank you for sharing, Carrie. Amy, would you like to go next?
Yes. I picked the letter C, so I brought a can, a candle, a cup, a cookie, and a cake.
Awesome. Yummy. Graham?
In my box, everything is a play. I bought a puzzle, peaches, pliers, pack of cards, pasta.
Good job. Okay, so excellent job on your homework assignment. I thought this homework assignment was very fun. So now it's my turn to share my alphabet box. And my letter is O. I have owls on the front of my box. This is my oak tree. Inside my box, I have an octopus. Another owl, just because I really love owls. A can of olives, like the pirate in the video was eating. An orange that is packed with vitamin C. Some ointment that you put on when you get cuts and scrapes. An opener. Sometimes when you get a pop bottle, it doesn't screw off. You have to open it with an opener. An ornament, because Christmas is coming, so I will probably put this ornament on my Christmas tree. A stinky onion that might make you cry when you cut it. And an organ that you see them playing a lot of at church. I had a lot of fun putting my O box together. Okay, so we talked a little bit about how we know that a word starts with the O letter, a certain letter like O. We listen for the sounds. Can somebody else tell me something they know about the alphabet? Anything you know about the alphabet?
It's 26 letters.
There's 26 letters in the alphabet. What does knowing our alphabet help us learn to read? How does that help us learn to read?
Helps us sound out the words.
It does. It helps us sound out the words. Okay, I'm going to have you guys do a vocabulary worksheet about the letter O and some items that I had in my box. So it's a matching worksheet, and you're just going to draw a line from the word to the definition or the picture. But kindergartners, always remember, the first thing that we do is pick up a pencil and write our name. Good. I'll go ahead and collect those. And then I want you to work on this activity as an enrichment activity as a small group together. What you're going to do with this activity is match the uppercase and the lowercase alphabet cards together. So you can spread them out on the table. And if you find the letter B, the small lowercase letter B, you'll look for the uppercase letter B and match them together. And you'll do it facing up. You don't have to face them down. You can just spread those out on your table. And while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and do the closure to our lesson. Today, we talked about the book that we read yesterday, the Shiver Me Letters book. We talked about the letter O and what sounds the letter O makes and how we know if a word begins with a specific letter. We watched an awesome video about the letter O and pirates. We shared our alphabet books. You did a vocabulary worksheet for me. And now you're doing the enrichment project. Thank you.